Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I am back with a common interview question that is more often asked in a STA interview or a physical design interview. So, without any further delay, let's get started. The question is, why don't we check hold analysis before CTS stage? It's a very common question. For freshers, for experience, it's a very common question that is asked. So today I'm going to discuss this answer here. So, hold analysis is typically done after clock tree synthesis, that is CTS stage, because before CTS the clock network is considered ideal with zero skew, making it difficult to accurately access hold violations. So what happened is that before CTS clock is ideal, that means exact skew is not there, and like theoretically we say all the clocks reaching the flops at the same time. So we don't have skew and transition numbers of the clock path. But that much information is sufficient to perform setup analysis, since setup violation depends on the data path delay. That's why before CTS stage, we generally focus on setup analysis rather than hold violations, because before cities the clock is treated as having zero propagation delay and perfect skew, like theoretically we say, and because like there is no like in original like in real scenario what happens when a clock signal travels through different paths, there will be some varying delays will be there. Because of that we will see propagation delay, and all informations related to clock path will come to us. But before CTS we don't have those informations. That's why we don't perform CTS stage, we don't perform hold analysis before CTS stage. Another reason is that hold like hold time depends on the difference in arrival times of the launch and the capture clocks, which we call as skew, right? And hence the accurate skew is only calculated after clock tree is built. Hold analysis is more reliable post CTS stage. That's another reason. Like skew is one reason, and another is like if we even try to fix hold violations before CTS, we might add unnecessary buffers to the data path, which could be later adjusted when the actual clock network is generated. So that will lead to potential over design, and also it can increase power consumption. That's why only when clock is propagated after CTS stage, that is when we have actual clock tree, like actual clock tree, and all the clock buffers are added, and clock tree hierarchy, clock skew, insertion delay comes to the picture. That's the time when we go for doing hold analysis and we try to fix hold violations. I hope you got the answer. If you have still any doubt, you can comment down below on the video. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like and share with your friends, VLSA aspirants, and all. Try to help all the freshers by sharing this video. Thanks again. Happy learning.